G'day mates, another day on the farm, another job to do. So today I'm going to be installing this tap. Now it's very important that you do a few things to make sure it goes smooth. First thing, turn off the water to the tank. So, I've got to turn off the water, it just goes like this.
Just the other way, darling. Just got to turn it the other way.
You just got to do it like that. Turn the tap. And it's done. Done. So we'll be having a great day, and we'll keep you posted with all of the cool things we get up to, and before you know it, you'll be able to install your own tap at home too.
Cutters, we've got to go and get this work. Oh, shit.
Yes, indeedy, that is some shit. Don't be cranky, love. Don't have a tanty.
Come on.
I think there's a bug in my boot. Gotta get it out. Bug in my boot! So with this job today, folks, you've got to have an arrangement of tools. It's very important. So let me introduce you to my tools. We have got the mallet. We've got the salesman thing. We have got the clampies and the tap, but my favourite, the jaws of death. It's simple, really. You just put them here, and you crunch. Crunchy. It's a bit tricky. Ha! Jaws of death. So this is where we want to be jaws of deathing, because this is where we want our hose to. Oh shit, Johnny! Fucking the water is coming.
Oh, did you turn it off?
You told me to turn that one. Can you turn the camera off? The water is coming out. You've got to get it off. Due to some technical difficulties, folks, so we've fuck. Oh, it's barbed wire. Gonna do a shout out right now while we're sorting a few things out. Shout out to Baldy's Barbers. They do a great job with Johnny's hair, who's always looking pretty schmicko out on the farm, aren't you, Johnny? Always. The water's still going, darling.
Yep, that's because someone forgot to turn off both taps.
And so all you got to do is attach this side to this bit and this side to this bit, and you stick it to your stick, and you got a tap. Hey.